Hey y'all, what is up? How you doing? What you doing? If you don't know by now, my name is Ellie Marie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be blow drying my hair. This video is going to be mostly a voiceover because I can't show y'all my I can't show y'all my technique, but I can't talk about the technique as I'm blow drying my hair and trimming it. So this is going to be voiceover style, but I did want to come on here and tell you guys what products I used prior to. First thing, I did shampoo my hair. I did do a clarifying shampoo. I'm not straightening my hair or anything, but I do want to get a nice cleanse so I can really thoroughly trim and cut my hair, because this is what really I'm blow drying my hair for. And plus I want to do a stretch style, so I'm excited for that. But in the shower, I shampooed. I use a clarifying shampoo. You can use either one you want to. It's totally up to you. I used something that had apple cider vinegar in it to really cleanse my scalp and my hair. And I brushed that through and combed it through and massaged my scalp to get all the buildup, debris, everything off of my scalp and my hair. And then next, I just went straight into deep conditioning. And I'm going to show you guys my deep conditioner. I've heard that when you blow dry and straighten your hair, you want to use more products with a silicone in it to kind of give you a barrier against your hair so you don't get damaged or anything like that. So I decided to use something with silicone in it. I don't know if this is like a soluble silicone or whatever, but this is one of my favorite deep conditioners, and I don't use it a lot because it has the methicone in it, but I really love it. It makes my hair so soft and stuff. It is the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. I absolutely love it, love it. Can't get enough of it. I think this is about my like 5th tub of it. It smells really good and everything. It has raw honey and olive oil, and it says an intense deep penetrating conditioner for dry, damaged, and color treated hair. No parabens, sulfates, petroleum, lanolin, artificial colors, or animal testing. It does have silicone in it, so it doesn't say that, but I have that in my hair right now. I'm about to go rinse it out, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you do, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get into it.
Take your last relationship. Look how good you treated him. You could birth like 4 of him. Girl, you never need it.
Getting right into it, I have freshly washed my hair. I've rinsed the deep conditioner out, and this is what my hair is looking like. It's still damp, so I'm gonna go ahead and start the drying process by shaking it a little bit. And you guys saw the water droplets, so that means my hair is still wet. So first thing that I am going to do is section my hair into 4 parts, and they don't have to be equal. They just need to be 4 parts. They can be bigger or smaller, whichever way you want to do it. You can do more sections if you need to. If you have longer or thicker hair than me, you can totally do that. First thing I'm going to do is start drying my hair with my towels. Now typically for the curly girl method, I would not use the towel because it causes more frizz, but I'm going to be blow drying it, and I don't want my hair to be damp or nearly as wet as it was. To start my blow drying process, I'm going to use the Goddess Strength Divine Strength Leave-In Conditioner or leave-in cream from Carol's Daughters. I really like this leave-in cream. It's so moisturizing. It does contain silicone. Like I said, I'm going to be using some products with silicone in it, but this just helps my hair. I don't want my hair to be too weighed down by products or too oily, so when I dry it, it doesn't like burn my hair or my scalp. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of that, probably like a dime size section to each of my sections, and then I'm going to towel dry, and I'm going to do that to the rest. Now we're going to move on to the drying process, and to do that we're going to be using the Revlon one-step styler hairbrush. Now I've never used this before. My roommate let me use hers, and this is what it looks like. I've seen Natural Night reuse hers on her YouTube and her Instagram, so I was very intrigued to use it. I actually bought one, so look out for me using that. But the air flows through the middle of the brush. I know you guys can see like the middle where the holes are. That's where the air comes out, and it looks like this. And it has the little controls which you twist on and off. To start the blow drying process, I'm going to turn the blow dryer to the lowest setting it has, which will be the cool air, and I'm going to start off with the tension method on one section. I'm going to do my hair in sections. So first, I'm just going to do the tension method to blow out my roots a little bit, give it a little bit of a stretch. This will help with not using so much direct heat onto my hair later on, and it'll help so I don't have to do that many passes throughout my hair, even though I know I'm going to do a lot anyways. After I feel my hair has been stretched enough, I will turn the blow dryer up to the hot setting, and I'm going to start brushing and blow drying my hair at the same time. Now, since this was my first time using it, I had to adjust to it, but overall I will say it did pretty good. I tried to go kind of slow towards my ends so I can really stretch them out so I can get a good trim later on when I do decide to trim my hair. But I noticed that it wasn't getting my roots so much, and I also want to say that this thing gets hot, so be careful, please be careful, because I burned my finger a couple times. This thing gets hot. When I say hot, I mean hot. But yes, I had to go slow to get my ends, and you can see my roots are a little puffy, but that's okay. We'll go back later and we will get them. After about a minute or two, this is what my hair is looking like. My ends, I wasn't able to go through my ends like I wanted to, and you guys can see they need to be cut badly, but we'll get to that part soon. We just have to blow dry the rest of my hair. So I'm going to do the same steps to my whole entire head. I'm going to do the tension method. I am going to use it on cool setting, and then I'm going to brush it through and try to get my roots, and make sure to go kind of slow so I can get the ends and get my roots, get some airflow up in there, and then we are going to start the trimming process. Now, after completing both sides of my hair, this is what my hair is looking like. It is nice and blown out, it is soft, it is manageable, and my hair has grown a little bit. I can definitely tell. It's a little stiff because I didn't do the best job with my blowout, but it still looks good. My hair looks healthy, very healthy. It's just those ends that I'm not able to get through with niceness, I want to say, but my hair has grown a lot. So next will be the trimming stage, y'all. I was so excited. I was feeling my hair, and I was just totally ready to get this out of the way because I've been meaning to do it for a long time. I have been neglecting my hair, so I will have to cut a little bit more than I thought, but that is okay. But first, I do want to tell you guys that I did leave my hair alone for about an hour and a half. Oh, look at that ponytail. I left it alone a little bit just to let my hair breathe. But now we're on to the cutting stage, and I'm using some shears that I got from the store, and I'm going to take my pattern brush just to brush out all my hair, and I'm just showing you guys my ends. They're kind of see-through, and I'm overdue for a trim, okay? So first thing I'm going to do is going to part my hair down the middle, because I do cut my hair down the middle, and I don't know why I do it down the middle, I just do. But this is what my hair is looking like. Look at those ends. They need to go. Chop, sis. Bye. See you later. Now, I did go ahead and already do most of my hair, but I did want to show you guys a couple of clips of me trimming it. So just to start off, this is the side that I've done already, and as you can see, it has that round shape to it, which I want because I wear my hair curly for the most part. And then the other side is just flat, and we don't want that. We do not like that at all, so we're trying to achieve the left side. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the trimming. So first thing, I am taking small sections to get an even trim. Okay, since I was in dire need of it, I just need to go smoothly. Okay, so I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to brush my hair softly. Okay, I want to brush it out just to get the kinks out, and then I'm going to look. Now first, I did trim my hair across because I noticed that I did have a lot of split ends, but after doing that trim, I am going to brush it again and comb it through with my fingers, and I'm going to cut it diagonally because I want to get that lion shape, and I want my hair to be kind of rounded. So I am going to cut at a diagonal. Now I know it's kind of hard for y'all to see because it was kind of hard for me to do without a mirror in front of me, but I am taking my time when doing this because I don't want my hair to be all jagged up. But as you can see, I'm getting that cut shape that I like. And I just noticed with me, I like my hair to be like that, especially when it's in its curly state. I don't all want it to be in one flat stage. I don't like that. I call that the awkward stage for me. So like I said, I'm just going to cut straight across for my first cut just to get my split ends, my dead ends off. But after that, I am going to cut diagonally and kind of slanted so I can get that look that I am going for. So again, I am taking small sections and I'm going to brush it out and get the kinks out. And my first trim is going to be straight across to get my dead ends and those split ends off. And then next, I am going to cut at a diagonal. And if you need to brush through again, brush it again. But I'm going to cut diagonally to get that lion shape cut. This is going to help your fro look bigger at the top. You guys see the shape that I'm talking about? It is going to make such a difference when your hair is in its curly state. If you wear your hair straight, then you probably don't want to cut like this. It's probably not going to look good when you straighten your hair, but if you wear your hair in a curly state like I do, then this will most definitely help you out at the end when you're wearing your hair curly. After trimming my hair, this is what it is looking like, and it looks so much better, so much better. And before I stop, I am going to do a light dust, and I'm just going to make sure all my hair is like kind of the same length. Now I do want to say my left side and my right side are not the same length at all. The right side, which is my left side, tends to grow longer than the other side, and I don't know why. It's just always been like that. So it looks like it's laying more. It doesn't have that lion shape to it, but it does, especially more than it did than when I first had it. Okay, my ends look so much better. They're not so see-through. Now I did not cut my hair to make it look like a salon professional's cut because I need to go somewhere for that, but I did need to get these dead ends off of me, and I did. And after that, y'all, my hair is flourishing. It is bouncy, it is smooth, silky, and I just can't get enough of it. But I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you did, make sure to leave me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace, love you.
No more. I like me better when I was yours. I'm going back,